Hey, Inspire Igniters! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey exploring the potential of the TikTok Creativity Program. Imagine turning your creative sparks into a steady stream of income, raking in an effortless $1,000 every single day. Sounds unbelievable? Well, prepare to have your mind blown as we delve into these untapped gold mines of creativity and cash. I'm your guide on this adventure, and let's dive right in. Imagine waking up to $1,000 every single day, just by expressing your creativity on TikTok. This might seem like a far-fetched dream, but it's a reality for many creators who've tapped into the power of TikTok's creativity program niches. These niches are more than just trends, they're opportunities for creators like you to turn your passion into a lucrative venture. So if you're ready to transform your creativity into cash, stick around because today, I'm revealing the exact steps to make it a reality. We all know that breaking into the online money-making world can be overwhelming, especially for beginners. It's like stepping into a bustling city for the first time. There's so much to see, so many paths to take, it's easy to feel lost. There's a never-ending stream of opportunities, each promising the world, but how do you know which one to choose? How do you navigate through the glittering promises and find the golden opportunities? It's a daunting task, no doubt. You might be wondering, am I creative enough, or do I have what it takes to stand out? These doubts and fears, they're normal, but they can hold you back, keep you from reaching your true potential. It's like being stuck in a maze searching for the exit, but all you see are walls. But don't worry, I've been there and I've cracked the code. The key? TikTok's creativity program niches. These are spaces within TikTok where users with similar interests gather to share and explore content. And these niches are like untapped gold mines of opportunity waiting for you to stake your claim. Imagine a space where your creativity is not just appreciated, but also rewarded with hard cash. That's what these niches offer. They're not just about sharing your latest dance moves or funny skits, but about creating valuable content that resonates with a specific audience. And here's the best part. You don't have to be a social media guru or a viral sensation to succeed. All you need is a clear understanding of your chosen niche, a dash of creativity, and the willingness to engage with your audience. To help you navigate this exciting landscape, I'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to identify the right TikTok creativity program niche for you, how to create engaging content, and how to monetize your creativity. I'll break down the steps to set you on the path to financial freedom. Now, you might be wondering if this is just another online promise, but let me assure you it's not. Let's talk about actual real-life success stories. People just like you who've delved into the TikTok creativity program niches and experienced phenomenal success. Consider the case of Jane Doe. A year ago, she was a struggling artist looking for a breakthrough. Today, she's a top-tier TikTok creator, raking in well over $1,000 every single day. And guess what? She got there by simply showcasing her creativity in one of the niches we've discussed. Then there's John Doe, a college student who transformed his love for tech into a lucrative TikTok journey. How? By exploring a tech-related niche in the TikTok creativity program, he now earns enough to pay his tuition and then some. Their success is your roadmap, and we're going to dissect it together. Ready to transform your creativity into a lucrative venture? Here's the action plan. First, tap into the untapped. Explore the hottest niches of TikTok's creativity program. Next, start creating. Let your imagination run wild and produce content that resonates with your audience. Then engage, engage, engage. Respond to comments, collaborate, and build your community. Finally, monitor your progress, learn from it, and keep improving. And to make things easier, we've got a step-by-step guide waiting for you in the description. Don't miss out, this guide is the game changer you've been waiting for. That's a wrap for today's Inspire Ignite session. We've unlocked the secrets to effortlessly earning $1,000 a day in the hottest TikTok creativity program niches. Your creativity can be the ticket to financial freedom, and our exclusive 2024 money-making guide is the perfect roadmap to get you there. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more inspiring content that ignites your path to success. Until next time, keep inspiring, keep igniting.